Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dipak and I'm glad you are here. Today we have a very exciting agenda. We are going to explore Google Opal, a new AI experiment that lets you build functional apps just by describing them. I'll show you how you can actually build a mini AI app from scratch. First, let's head over to the official page at opal.google. To get started, click on Try Opal button. The sign up process is seamless. Just use your Gmail ID and you will granted access to the workspace immediately. Once sign up, you will land right here on the dashboard. This is your command center. You will see your existing Opal apps listed here, along with the gallery of popular apps created by the community. It's a great way to see what the platform is capable of. Now let's build something. Click on Create New. You will arrive at this editor window where the magic happens. You don't need to code, you just type your app description. For this demo, I'm creating a mini app that generates audio narration and matching images for every scene of a story. Once you hit generate, Opal builds a workflow. Let's wait for it to complete the building process. Now our workflow is generated here. You can see the logic nodes right here on the editor window. It shows how the story inputs connects to the image generator and the audio engine. You can move these nodes around or change how they interact. You can also click on the nodes and see what's going on inside. You see the model used here and the prompt. I want to make a slight modification to one of the steps. Before the audio is generated, I'm going to give Opal a prompt to refine the script to make it sound more professional. This ensures the narration is perfect before it hits the voice engine. Now that our app is ready, let's test it with a short story. As you can see, the app is in action. While we waited for it to process, keep in the mind that you can easily share this app with others via link or even share the final output once it's generated. It's built for collaboration. Finally, we have our results. We have a stunning images for our scene and a clear audio narration. Let's listen to a small part of it.
In a quiet village, there was a tiny oil lamp named Chiku. Chiku lived on a high shelf and dreamed of lighting the whole room. But whenever the wind blew, his flame would flicker and almost go out. One night, a strong storm entered through the window. The big lamps, in their booming voices, said, "Stay quiet, Chiku. You are too small to shine in this wind." Chiku felt scared, but he remembered something his maker once said, "Even a small light can push away darkness if it keeps burning." So Chiku held on. He shook, he flickered, but he did not give up. Slowly, the storm passed. The room became calm again, and Chiku was still glowing. His gentle light helped a child find her book in the dark.
As you saw, Opal is an incredibly simple way to create your own smart AI app without writing a single line of code. However, do remember, it's still in a very early experimental stage. So don't expect it to be perfect every time. So thank you so much for watching it. If you found this helpful, let me know your feedback in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.